As I said in my introduction, we must consolidate our training. We need to bring everything together. Now with this drill, Travis is in a passive position. The reality is we don't walk around the street in a fighting stance. So he's less ready. I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure to Travis and he's going to strike from whatever position I land. From this position here, go. Time. I move around Travis. Go. Time. Go. What was Travis doing? As he was striking the pad and recoiling, the second strike was delivered, eliminating the dead spaces or gaps. What is Travis doing? He's closing the distance by moving forward and striking. Front kick, go. Side kick, go. Side kick, go. Side kick, go. Front kick, go.